Ori Studio Suite. Introducing the Ori Studio Suite, a revolutionary creation from an American company that's set to amaze you. This amazing furniture set completely transforms the way you organize your apartment, making it more functional and enjoyable. By incorporating robotics, Ori's experts have designed furniture that adapts to your needs seamlessly. Imagine having furniture that magically disappears when you don't need it, creating extra space in your apartment. And when you do need it, it reappears just as magically. Simply put, the Ori Studio Suite is a movable unit filled with versatile folding furniture. You'll always have a bed, desk, ample storage, and more at your fingertips. Plus, it's incredibly easy to control. You can do it manually, through buttons, with a mobile app, or even with your voice if you have a smart home system. Say hello to a whole new level of convenience and comfort in your living space with the Ori Studio Suite. Interactive Floor Projector. Step into the world of the Interactive Floor Projector, where the unexpected becomes a delightful reality. No, you're not caught in a flood or stumbling upon a long-lost Titanic tape. What you're witnessing is the magic of an interactive floor display. Sans any water worries. In a hotel in China, waves dance across the floor, creating a mesmerizing ambience without a drop of water in sight. This technology isn't just about decoration. It's a gateway to endless possibilities. With just a computer, camera, and projector, you can transform any space into a dynamic, interactive experience. Imagine walking into a room and seeing the surface come alive with each step you take. Aquarium in the interior. Have you ever considered how cool it would be to have an aquarium in your home? It's not just a place for your fish to live. It's also an awesome way to spruce up your space. Nowadays, with all the fancy technology we have, designers are creating aquariums in all sorts of cool shapes and sizes that blend seamlessly into any room. You can even get creative with where you put them, like using one to divide two rooms or, like in this case, turning it into a super stylish handrail. It's like bringing a piece of the ocean right into your living room. Who wouldn't want that? Tile stickers. Tired of staring at those old, drab tiles in your kitchen or bathroom? Upgrading used to be a hassle and a big expense. But guess what? Now you can easily transform your space without breaking the bank. All thanks to these amazing tile stickers. They come in a bunch of different designs, so there's something for everyone's taste. And the best part? They're super easy to use. Just clean the surface really well to make sure the stickers stick properly and avoid any pesky bubbles. Then simply peel off the backing and stick them on. Each sticker is designed to fit standard tile sizes, so no need to worry about measurements. Not only do they give your room a fresh new look, but they're also waterproof and tough, covering up any cracks or flaws in your old tiles. So why wait? Give your space a makeover today. Up Balloon Coffee Table. Check out this Up Balloon Coffee Table. It's seriously one of the coolest pieces of furniture we've come across lately. Despite what you might think at first glance, it's not defying gravity or held up by magic. Those balloons you see, they're actually made of metal, super sturdy, and as durable as any other table out there. But here's the kicker. They're coated in this special shiny finish that makes them look exactly like real balloons. How awesome is that? And the best part is, you can choose from a variety of colors, from sleek black to vibrant red. But here's the catch. These coffee tables are super exclusive. There are only 20 of them in existence, so if you want to add a touch of whimsy and creativity to your living room, you better act fast. GLIM. Hey there, check out these cool room dividers from GLIM. If you're not into over-the-top stuff, these might be just what you're looking for. Made by a Portuguese company, these wooden partitions are all about simplicity and style. They're crafted from natural wood, and installing them is a breeze. Plus, they don't take away from your space. In fact, they add a touch of elegance and uniqueness while doing their job perfectly. dividing up your room into separate areas. And the best part, you can customize them however you want. Whether you need a specific size, color, or design, GLIM has got you covered. So why settle for boring old walls when you can add some flair to your space with these awesome room dividers? TopBrewer Dance of the Pixies. Get ready for a game changer, coffee lovers. Ever wished you could have a barista-quality brew right at your fingertips? Well, say hello to TopBrewer, the ultimate coffee solution straight out of Denmark at first glance. It looks like your average tap, but don't be fooled. It's a coffee dispenser in disguise. Tucked away inside a cupboard, this innovative contraption brews up your favorite drinks without taking up any extra space. And get this, you control it all from your phone. Customize your coffee just the way you like it. From strength to sweetness, milk to foam, the possibilities are endless. But wait, there's more. TopBrewer can even whip up sparkling or boiling water for tea. Plus, it's all about top-notch quality. No barista required. Say hello to your new coffee bestie. At 14 Sports Swim Spa. For pool retailers in the Asia-Pacific and Middle East regions, there's something exciting to consider, especially with the growing trend of luxury homes. Introducing a unique system that combines luxury and discretion. A protective shell adorned with artificial grass, cleverly hiding a lavish spa underneath. Catering to diverse preferences, there are various models available. For instance, some can host up to 7 guests, offering indulgent experiences like Japanese shiatsu and Swedish massages. When empty, these spas weigh about half a ton, but come to life with approximately 1,779 liters of water. That's the equivalent of filling 22 washing machines or taking 177 5-minute showers. And the best part, you have complete control over all the spa functions, ensuring a tailor-made relaxation experience right in your backyard.